You're watching How Leap. Let's turn off the call screening feature on iPhone iOS 26. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Tap Phone. In the phone settings, look for the Call Silencing and Screening section. Tap on Silence Unknown Callers. To disable call screening, toggle the switch next to Silence unknown callers to the off position. This will stop your iPhone from automatically silencing calls from numbers not in your contacts, sending them directly to voicemail. Additionally, if you use a third-party call screening app, you must manage it within that specific app's settings. For the built-in screening, also check the Announce Calls setting located further down in the phone settings menu. Tap Announce Calls and select Never to disable Siri announcing caller names. This ensures no active screening or announcing interrupts your calls. Your iPhone will now ring for all incoming calls regardless of whether they are in your contacts. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.